Hello, welcome to all. Today, I am again introducing to you one of the best machine, plastic bin cleaning machine. This is a continuous moving conveyor type machine. Machine is having a rigid base frame. We have designed split type to easy enter in the small entry gate. The modern type of operator box is located on the loading side for the easy operate. The rigid chain rod type conveyor is moving the bins stage to stage sequentially. Suitable fume exhaust system is provided to take out the fumes from washing chamber. All chambers are having maintenance door for both sides. To easy access the internal equipment, the branded equipment like Grundfos make high pressure pump is used for spray washing. The filtration system with pressure switch and differential pressure switch is for pump protection. After wash, the bins are followed by the high pressure ambient air and hot air blowers. The machine is having all interlocks which are controlled by Mitsubishi, PLC and HMI. For the easy maintenance, the ladder and safety railing is provided on the chamber top. Providing the safety guards and proper metallic covers for moving parts is our regular practice. We provide our own chemical with the machine, the high quality, suitable to the product and economical price. Our end users are appreciated for our product quality, wherein to the repeat orders.